Parler.
To speak. In this video, we will learn the verb to speak in the past tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. In last lesson, we learned that in order to conjugate the verb in past tense, we need to know the auxiliary verb and past participle of this verb. I also mentioned that most of the time, we will use the present conjugated form of the auxiliary verb.
Avoir.
In addition to this, we need the past participle of this verb, which is
Parler.
Let's see how we use this to conjugate the verb in past tense. I spoke.
J'ai parlé.
You spoke. Informal way.
Tu as parlé.
He spoke. Masculine.
Il a parlé.
She spoke. Feminine.
Elle a parlé.
We spoke. Informal way.
On a parlé.
We spoke. Formal way.
Nous avons parlé.
You spoke. Formal way.
Vous avez parlé.
They spoke. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils ont parlé.
They spoke. Group of only females.
Elles ont parlé.
Let's see how do we use this verb conjugation in simple sentences. I spoke with her.
J'ai parlé avec elle.
You spoke to your teacher.
Tu as parlé à ton professeur.
He spoke about his vacation.
Il a parlé de ses vacances.
She spoke on the phone.
Elle a parlé au téléphone.
We spoke about our day.
On a parlé de notre journée.
We spoke about our plans.
Nous avons parlé de nos projets.
You spoke at the meeting.
Vous avez parlé à la réunion.
They spoke about their plans.
Ils ont parlé de leurs projets.
They spoke in French.
Elles ont parlé en français.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. I spoke.
J'ai parlé.
You spoke. Informal way.
Tu as parlé.
He spoke. Masculine.
Il a parlé.
She spoke. Feminine.
Elle a parlé.
We spoke. Informal way.
On a parlé.
We spoke. Formal way.
Nous avons parlé.
You spoke. Formal way.
Vous avez parlé.
They spoke. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils ont parlé.
They spoke. Group of only females.
Elles ont parlé.
We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.